Hello everybody, it's your tall guy here at none other than Not Scary Farm for the first day of Scary Farm. But today I want to bring you guys a video as to why the Boo-Fet package is a great add-on to your general admission ticket for Not Scary Farm. Before we get this video going, a huge thank you to everybody who subscribed and showed their love to the channel. Y'all blew it up with my recent RIP tour video from Halloween Horror Nights, and from the bottom of my heart, I really thank you, because this is what I love doing for y'all, and I really thank you for anyone who subscribed to the channel and checking out all the videos I have going on. So, like I said, today we're doing the Boo-Fet package for Scary Farm. It is a $45 package to add on top of your general admission. I think it fluctuates throughout the season though, just to let you know. But there's a lot of things you can add on to the admission ticket, like fast lane, parking, hotel package, VIP package. There's a lot of things you can add on. But let's explore the Boo-Fet package, which I've done in the past already, but I want to get on video today. I know we get a dinner buffet, scare active photo op, and most importantly, early entry mazes to some mazes. I'm assuming it's the same backlot mazes they got, but we're gonna find out and see today. All right, if you guys do enjoy this video and the content I'm providing for you for all things Halloween, be sure to leave a like. Tall Guy appreciates all your support, and without further ado, let's get spooky. Almost forgot to mention, let's talk about the Not Scary Farm bag policy real quick. Let me show you guys what I saw at security. Hopefully this helps you out. So, just to keep in mind, the Boo-Fet entry is a long line. Here's the souvenir cup that does come with the event. Refills all night long. And then there's the small line for the photo op with the monster. So right after they take you through the backside of Ghost Rider, we're heading into Spurs, is where our buffet is gonna be at. It's gonna be monsters roaming around while we eat, so it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. How you doing?
Oh no!
Huh?
What are you doing? That horrible raccoon?
Raccoon? Oh,
Yeah.
I see what you mean. I had borrowed his tail. It's to keep the audio within.
I think the raccoon needs that.
What do you need tonight?
I don't know yet.
Not my soul.
No, I don't collect souls. That's the thing. Well, now that are you with this one?
I am with this one.
Well, now that you found your table, go eat.
Yeah, it's a good suggestion. Check it out, our buffet. Unlimited boysenberry pie and sweets. Oh my Lanta. That's just the start. So we have some spinach salads. Look like, what are these, wings?
I think so.
Boneless wings.
Chicken something.
I see buffalo. What is that, boysenberry? I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah, I think that's part of the boysenberry.
Nice.
Is it right here or no? No?
No, I don't see the tab for it. Oh, it's actually right over there. Barbecue. It's barbecue and buffalo.
Boneless chicken wings?
Boneless chicken wings. And here we have normal chicken wings.
Just normal chicken wings.
Nice. I'm gonna assume this is the famous Mrs. Knott's chicken.
Yep. There's white meat.
Look at that gold. Bam!
Maybe they have more.
We got some flaming hot mac and cheese. Oh, I'm sorry. Takis mac and cheese, actually. Reading the tab. That's new. Got our good old creamy mashed potatoes right over here. Here we have spiced pumpkin grits. Right next to it, we got some corn. Fried mozzarella sticks.
Yep.
Oh, who can't say no to that? Check it out. Korean bao buns. Not your typical rolls, Korean bao buns.
Gotta have one of these.
Oh. Classic Mrs. Knott's biscuits. Right over here we have our cuts for the night. Roasted beef sirloin. Nice. I will come back for that.
No problem.
And what is this? Ahu turkey? Oh, pork tenders. Very nice. This is our table spot for the night, right next to Mr. and Mrs. Knott. And we got our ghoulish monsters lurking around the dining area. And this is what I'm eating tonight. Famous Mrs. Knott's chicken, cut of sirloin steak, mashed potatoes, and that bao roll. Alright, so this is what I'm doing for my buffet experience. So 2 options you got. You could be front row ceremony to see all that stuff happen, or you can hit up the backlot mazes, which are down that way past Ghost Rider. Personally, I've never seen ceremony here in person, so I really want to get this experience in for my book, one of the books, and cover it for you guys. So we're almost there. Before we get the ceremony going, just want to let everyone know, if you don't decide to do the ceremony route, the 4 mazes that are back there in the back lot, you could easily get done within the early entries. As soon as you finish your dinner, boom, bomb rush it back there, get those mazes done, and then maybe you can try to catch ceremony. Look at these boneheads up here. Oh, they got the best seats in the house, just waiting for the monsters to come out and attack everybody out here. Into the fog we go! Woo! Oh my god, what an opening ceremony. That was one for the books for sure. On our way to Bloodline. Let's go check that out. So I thought Bloodline was actually over here. It's Grimoire. So this is our first maze of the night. Let's go. Oh. What is this?
Hey guys! Oh man, you came at the right time. You gotta check out this book we found in that old treehouse at the end of the creek. It's pretty rad. Listen up. An ancient reading from the Fable of Scourge. A world where words turn whispers in the air to unleash stories and shadows of days long gone from Hell's lair. A world where brothers fight brothers. Where blood runs thicker than nightmares, where screams of mortals in war are filled with pain and despair. A world where being thankful is filled with a thirst for blood and taste of flesh. Grimoire! Grimoire, rise from the depths! Damn these souls to our pages through dying breath.
What's going on? Oh, it's a tight space for a tall guy. What is going on? What year is this? Oh, okay.
Grimoire, Grimoire, rise from the dark of nightmares.
It's the same camper. Alright, first thoughts on Grimoire. Grimoire. It was cool. It was a solid story to follow. Except the part we went to war. I was like, whoa, what's going on? But solid first maze of the night, new maze of Scary Farm 22 and 2. Now we're gonna get into Origins, a staple of Scary Farm. It's everywhere. Oh man, transformation. Hello. Yeah, you're pretty tall. So am I. Oh man, not the jaw.
Roaming the streets of Ghost Town.
Oh shit.
Do you believe?
Just look at this view. Man, I gotta pick up a Mac guide. I have no idea what's going on. I gotta watch some shows and see what time they are at, but just look at Supreme Screen towering over the theme park. Pumpkin orange. I love it, I love it. What is all this? I'm gonna catch a ride. Oh, sorry. Hello. Oh boy. Sliders in action. I do want to put something into quick perspective. After having the buffet dinner and lining up for the ceremony, it's currently 7:50 right now, 50 minutes into the event. I've done 3 mazes so far. Mesmer, Origins, and Grimgore. That's what it's called. And not to mention, Dark Ride's only 5 minutes, just basically a walk-on. So yeah, this is the best, in my opinion, one of the best add-ons you could add to your general admission, the buffet dinner. It was $45 today on a Thursday. You know, again, granted, it is a Thursday, could be different on the weekend, but it's not a bad difference from having early entry compared to a fast lane, which is $135 and up. So there's that. Farewell, Dark Ride. You will be missed. Let's enjoy this one last ride. Oh, he already got his. Looking around. Oh. What the heck did I just watch? This show? Yeah. Sideshow Carnival, dude. Guy. Wow. It was great. It was great. There's like 5 acts and they're all stunning, especially the last one. The guy on the wheel going up and going little mind blown there. So that is a must do show when you come here to Scary Farm. Let's go pay our respects to the Forsaken Lake. Final year. Oh my god. Look how foggy it is over here. This shit ain't no joke. If you thought you were safe in Camp Snoopy, you're very wrong. More like Camp of Death. Jesus, so many of them. Oh, thank you. It's Prada. Because the devil wears Prada. Some of these guys are just kind of like hide really well within the crowds. Makes a lot of noise at his feet. Look at this. What?
Pumpkin eater had a wife but couldn't keep her. Locked her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well.
One last ride. Back. No face cam for this one. No face cam here. It gets way too dark. Oh, brother. Holy shit, that fog. I'm telling you, there ain't no fog like Scary Farm fog. Let's go. Let's go into the fog. I'm down. Ain't no way this is real. This is so cool. Oh. Can't see anything here, yo. Oh my God, what's in front of me? I got spooked. Oh my God. Really gotta love how alive these scare zones are with the scare actors and activity. What does that say, sir? Gin is a sin? What about the devil's elixir?
We made that illegal too.
Legal?
Illegal, yes.
Oh, sorry, I'm not trying to bring stuff out there.
I'll have to talk.
See what I mean? Oh man, y'all love it. Y'all love it here. Since I'm leaving the bloodline for last, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little solo run on the depths. There ain't no one in front of me, that's why. Let's go. So red here. Oh my God, look at this spot. Oh whoa. Holy shit, wait, where do I go? I don't know where to go. Wait, where am I going? Thank you. I got lost. Oh, okay. Oh, what is this? Ah! Which way? Oh, it's an impelled woman. Oh, man. Finally, the last one for the night. Bloodline. Got it. Oh.
Answer her!
I have power.
There you are. Well, come in, come in. Let's take a look at your weapons. Aim the barrel cannons of your blaster at the Valhymphry and pull upon the finger lever to release the special projectiles. The blasters monitor your health and upgrades with the more kills you rake in, so spray away. Remember, stay 5 feet away from the Valhymphry and avoid contact at all costs. If it came from the dark, aim for the heart. Good luck, brothers and sisters.
All right, brothers and sisters, the time has come to choose your weapon. Choose them wisely. Dead eyes to the east. Range runners down the center. Spray shots at the end. For Valdonia, next one.
Let's go! Hey, I got a nice little spread shot radius on this thing. It's pretty sick.
What are we walking?
I am not walking.
We don't walk in Valdonia.
Didn't assume so.
Keep moving. Do not lose sight of one another.
Put a GoPro on the gun real quick. Get my shots in. Oh! Nope. Call of Duty POV. Hello, suckers! I got bit! Blood suckers! Alrighty, at the end of our night here at Scary Farm, closing thoughts. It was great. It was great this year. I enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. Sorry for the lighting. It's terrible. It's dark and there's a lot of fog. I gotcha. But gotta love Forsaken Lake, right? Real quick, the Boo-Fet add-on package. It's really great. For $45, well, on a Thursday, it could fluctuate throughout the season. It's not a bad deal to get a dinner buffet and early entry mazes to those back ones. But at that 5 p.m. slot, so you can get your dinner, eat, either line up for ceremony or go do some early entry mazes and Ghost Rider. But other than that, I'm actually going to be back on sometime in October to do the Hotel Gruesome package. So that's going to be a fun experience, rather. So, alrighty, guys, Scary Farm open tonight. Tell me what you thought, what you think. Bloodline or Grimoire, which was the maze of the year. I low-key think it was Bloodline. Felt like I was in Call of Duty with zombies, you know what I'm saying? Oh, zombies, I'm sorry, vampires. Vampires, but I'll be back, Scary Farm. I don't have a season pass to you, but next year I will. Alrighty, guys, you'll catch this tall guy at the next theme park. I'm out of here.